Robotics is an interdisciplinary branch of science and engineering that deals with the design, construction, and operation of a robot and a robotic system. A robot is an electromechanical machine that is programmed to sense, think, and act. Robots are capable of performing various tasks with utmost precision. Unlike humans, robots do not require comfort and safe working conditions and can tirelessly work for longer hours with minimal or no human intervention. Advancements in the field of robotics have developed robots that can imitate human behavior, communicate, and collaborate with humans and other machines. A robotic system refers to the mechanical, electrical, and control systems of a robot that function together to enable the robot to move and perform the desired tasks, such as moving materials, welding, and painting. Typically, a robot operates in a particular space known as the workspace of a robot. The combination of the points that a robot can reach using its mechanical structure determines the workspace of a robot. Robots are built to perform jobs that are hazardous, difficult, or repetitive for humans. New technology robots are being utilized in various applications such as manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, education, and military to ensure efficient, safer, and convenient working conditions for humans. Industrial robots are a type of robots that are mainly used for manufacturing applications such as welding, painting, pick and place, assembly, and palletizing. The first industrial robot to be developed was the Unimate, which was digitally operated and programmable. The robot was designed to lift and transport die castings from assembly lines, which was considered dangerous for humans. Since then, industrial robots have been widely used due to the cheaper cost of production and due to the accuracy and reliability of the robots in achieving the desired results. With newer technology, industrial robots are now designed to collaboratively work with humans, move from one place to another to perform different tasks, and are enabled with artificial intelligence to independently execute a task in a safe and effective manner.